everybody, welcome to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today I will be sharing my Amazon haul. So as I have all the things with me right now, so I thought that I'll shoot an Amazon haul video. And there's also an eBay finds on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to check that out too, I will leave the link in the description box. And also I will leave all the links and the prices in the description box of all these products so that it's easier for you guys to find out. So yes, if you guys want to know what all I got from Amazon, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Bye! So the first thing I got is this Duo Eyelash Adhesive. I've been loving this eyelash glue which is by Essence. Actually it comes with the eyelashes and recently it's out of stock and I'm searching for it everywhere but I'm not able to find out. So I thought that I'll just give it a try. So this is by Duo and this is a waterproof Duo Eyelash Adhesive and this is clear white. So the next thing is this teeth whitening pen and I've been seeing this pen everywhere nowadays, so I thought I'll just give it a try. Basically this is a teeth whitening pen and you twist this part and the gel comes out of this and it has a brush. So what you basically do is you smile and then you just put it onto your teeth and then you keep smiling for like 10 to 20 seconds and then you can just keep your mouth 10-15 minutes and then just wash it out. It kind of leaves a bubbly feeling when it's working. I've tried this twice and I think it's working. I don't really see a big difference when you try it. Really does something to your teeth and it says that you should use it for like 14-15 days continuously and then only you'll see a difference. So yes, I'm using this and let's see how it goes. Next thing is this Makeup Revolution London corrector palette and this is called Ultra Base Corrector Palette. This is how it looks. It's so nice. It has got all the colors to correct your blemishes and your other skin problems. I've been using this orange shade to correct my under eyes and my other problem areas. Moving on to my next product is this Nude Tude by the Balm. Basically this is not a real by the Balm Nude Tude palette. This is basically by the ads, if you can see this. In the original palette this has the balm written on it. So it was so cheap and I wanted to try this since a very long time, so I thought I'll just give this a try. And this is how it looks. I think the packaging is exactly same. There may be few differences but I think this is exactly the same and it also comes with a brush. I am not really sure if I'll use the brush but all the colors here are really pretty. So it has got a beautiful rose gold, whites and all bronzy shades. There's also a black which I think is really nice and this is again a cardboard packaging. So this is how it looks. So next is these eyeshadow shields and as I try a lot of different looks and I try a lot of different eyeshadow palettes, there are some eyeshadows which really fall out a lot and I always use duct tape to kind of get that sharp outer V and then also to prevent the fallout. I thought I should buy these eyeshadow shields. So this is how you put it and you don't have to worry about any fallout. You can also use this to kind of do a wing eyeliner, so which I think was really nice. Okay, now moving on to the next item. This is Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact, which I just love. Actually my first one is kind of broken, so I thought I'll just restock my favorite under eye powder. This one I used to set my under eyes and I just love this and it's also very affordable, so I thought I should just grab this before it's out of stock. Okay, so the next thing is very famous Derma Roller. This is by Biogenesis London. I wanted to try this since very long again. I've been watching this on YouTube since a very long time now. It helps you to get rid of all the pimple marks and other blemishes on your skin and I don't know, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna try this or not because the needles on this is really big. In one video I watched that you should always buy 1 mm or less than that and this is 1.5 mm. It's kind of really big, so I'm a little worried about that. So once I use this I'll update you guys. So the next thing are these disposable spoolies. I always carry this with me. It's really easy to kind of do your eyebrows and even if you want to put your mascara you can use this. They are really nice and cute and pink. So I thought that I'll just buy these two. So the next thing is this beautiful palette by Savannah, but unfortunately one eyeshadow is literally broken, and as soon as I got it I was like, no please, that shade is such a beautiful shade. And I immediately went and took my rubbing alcohol and I kind of tried to fix it, but let's see, it's still falling out. I don't know how it will work now, but other shades are beautiful. I'm planning to do a look using this eyeshadow palette. I also use this isopropyl alcohol, and this is 99% pure, and I also got this from Amazon. I use that alcohol to fix this eyeshadow. So the last thing is this very pretty golden glitter, and it comes with a primer. I always wanted something like this. I have this in other brand which is by Makeup Revolution and it's silver, so I wanted a golden one, so I ordered this. I have not used this yet, so I really don't know how it will be, but I will also do a look using this, so you'll be watching that too. So yes, that completes my Amazon haul video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. I'll put all the details in the description box below, so make sure that you check the description box. All the prices and all the links will be in the description box below. And also follow me on my Snapchat, my Facebook and my Instagram to get the updates on these products. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.